So class 9, today I am going to start let us work out 5.7. Today I will do only short answer type question and MCQ, but for doing short answer type question and MCQ you must know something. What you must know, I have written already note revise. Let us work out 5.2 and 5.3. In 5.3 only question number 4 का 16 number, okay? Otherwise you will not understand today's class, okay? So please first revise this one and then go through the video. Otherwise you will not understand anything. After that you will tell that ma'am I am not getting today's class. So better please go through these things whatever I have written here. After that come to the video. Now question number 21, short answer type question. If x equals to 3t and y equals to 2t by 3 minus 1, then let us then for what value of t x equals to 3, means we have to find value of t. How you will do this one? See, I have done already. If x equals to 3t and y equals to 2t by 3 minus 1, then for what value of t x equals to 3y. So what is given to you? X equals to 3t, means x equals to 3t you will write, and you will write equation 1. And after that what is given to you? Y equals to 2t by 3 minus 1. So y equals to 2t by 3 minus 1. Now 3 and here you have nothing, means 1 in the down in denominator. So LCM will be 3. 3 divided by 3 it will give you 1. 1 into 2t, 2t. Now 3 divided by 1. From where I am getting this 1? In the down if there is nothing it means 1. So 3 into 1, 3. Now you are getting y equals to 2t minus 3 by 3. This 3 will go this side, it will become 3y equals to 2t minus 3. Equation 2, means x value is 3t and y value is 3y value is 2t minus 3. Now what is given to you here? X equals to 3y. You will write x equals to 3y, putting x and 3y value from equation 1 and 2. Okay, so x equals to 3y. What is the value of x? 3t. And what is the value of y? 3y. What is the value of 3y? 2t minus 3. So in place of x I am writing 3t, in place of 3y I am writing 2t minus 3. Now 2t will come this side, it will become minus 2t, and minus 3 will remain as it is. 3t minus 2t will give you only t, means 3 minus 2 will give you 1, and since you have t you have to write t equals to minus 3, means what will be the value of t equals to minus 3. Now come to this one, a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0. Here I have written two equation, okay, means whatever attached with x in the first equation it will be a1, whatever attached with x in the second equation it will be a2, whatever attached with y in equation 1 it will be b1, and whatever attached with y in equation 2 it will be b2. The constant term of the first equation is c1 and the constant term of the second equation will be c2. Okay, you have done all this in exercise, or let us work out 5.2. Now right, see, a1 by a2 does not equals to b1 by b2 does not equals to c1 by c2 equals to c1 by c2. If this type of question will come, it means one solution, means these two equation have only one solution. Now case 2, a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 equals to c1 by c2, means if a1 by a2 value is equals to b1 by b2 value and c1 by c2 value, it means infinite number of solution. Okay, and 3, if a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 does not equals to c1 by c2, means a1 by a2 value is equals to b1 by b2 value but it is not equals to c1 by c2 value, then you will say that no solution. Why I am telling you all this? Because after that whatever sums we will do, it is based on this one only. Most of the sums is based on this one only, and you all have done this part in exercise 5.2. please go through the 5.2 if you are not getting here. Now question number 2 in your book. Question number 2, for what value of k the two equation 2x plus 5y equals to 8 and 2x minus ky equals to 3 will have no solution. No solution. When you have no solution, when a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 does not equals to c1 by c2, then you have No solution. Whenever we are finding value of k, because in this question they are telling you find the value of k. Okay, only one variable is there, k. Okay, then at that time what you will do, you will take only this one, a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2. I have done already two number, 2x plus 5y equals to 8, 2x minus ky equals to 3. Now tell me what is the value of a1. a1 value is 2 and a2 value is also 2, b1 value is plus 5 and b2 value is minus k. Okay, so I have written a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2. No need to take this one. Okay, so a1 value is 2, a2 value is 2 equals to b1 by b2. b1 value is 5, b2 value is minus k. Now 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. Okay, so you are getting 1 by 1. Now you will do cross multiplication. Minus k into 1, minus k, 5 into 1, it will be 5. Now minus sign will go this side, it will become plus, so k equals to minus 5. Okay.